Welcome to Digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website, digitizing.com. Now, let's see and learn about
understanding stabilizers. Which ones should you use? Stabilizers are crucial components in embroidery, ensuring clean, precise, and professional-looking designs. Their primary function is to provide support and stability to the fabric during the embroidery process, preventing puckering, distortion, or misalignment. Selecting the right stabilizer is essential as it directly impacts the quality and durability of the finished product. This guide explores the different types of stabilizers and offers insights into choosing the best one for your specific projects. Types of stabilizers. 1. Tearaway stabilizers. Tearaway stabilizers are versatile and commonly used for projects involving stable woven fabrics like cotton.
They are applied to the back of the fabric and can be easily torn away once the stitching is complete. These stabilizers are ideal for designs with low stitch counts and minimal detailing. Their main advantage is their ease of removal without leaving behind residue, making them perfect for garments where the back of the embroidery remains visible. Cutaway stabilizers. Cutaway stabilizers provide long-lasting support and are best suited for stretchy or delicate fabrics such as knits, jerseys, or polyester. These stabilizers remain on the fabric after trimming around the design, ensuring the embroidery retains its shape and does not stretch or distort over time. Cutaway stabilizers are ideal for intricate designs or projects that require high stitch density,
as they offer superior support compared to other types. 3. Wash-away stabilizers. Wash-away stabilizers are soluble materials that dissolve completely when exposed to water. They are commonly used for projects involving delicate or sheer fabrics like organza or tulle, where traditional stabilizers might leave visible marks. These stabilizers are also popular for creating standalone lace designs. However, their temporary nature means they should be used only for applications where post-stitching support is unnecessary. 4. Adhesive stabilizers. Adhesive stabilizers, also known as sticky-back stabilizers, come with a self-adhesive layer that allows fabrics to be secured without the need for hooping. These stabilizers are especially useful for hard-to-hoop or small items like caps, collars, or cuffs. They provide excellent stability during the embroidery process and can be removed by peeling or washing. 5. Heat-away stabilizers. Heat-away stabilizers are designed to be removed using heat, making them suitable for fabrics that cannot be exposed to water or adhesives. These stabilizers work well for applications requiring a clean finish, such as patches or appliques. They're less commonly used, but can be invaluable for specific projects. Factors to consider when choosing a stabilizer. Fabric type. The type of fabric being used is the most critical factor in selecting a stabilizer. For stretchy or unstable fabrics, opt for cutaway stabilizers. For stable woven fabrics, tearaway stabilizers are often sufficient. Design complexity. Intricate designs with high stitch counts require more robust support, such as cutaway stabilizers, to ensure the stitches hold their shape and alignment. Simpler designs can work well with tearaway or wash-away options. Project purpose. Consider the end use of the embroidered item. For garments or items that will be frequently washed or worn, a durable stabilizer like cutaway is necessary. For decorative or one-time use items, temporary stabilizers may suffice. Hooping requirements. If the project involves hard-to-hoop materials or small items, adhesive stabilizers can save time and effort while providing stability. Conclusion. Choosing the right stabilizer is essential for achieving professional embroidery results. By understanding the properties and applications of various stabilizers, you can enhance the quality of your work, ensuring durability, precision, and customer satisfaction. Whether you're working on garments, home decor, or unique projects, selecting the appropriate stabilizer ensures that your designs truly stand out. If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision and excellence. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit on debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.